Good morning, all. I am Abdul Wahid Mansurali Inamdar. I welcome all of you in this session. Today, I am going to show you overview of BLDC, that is brushless DC motor, and PMSM, that is permanent magnetic synchronous motor. Let us start with introduction. Motor is playing an important role in human beings' life. Almost 70% of electrical energy is being consumed by motors. But when it comes about special requirements and performance, then conventional motors are unable to fulfill the requirements like reliability and efficiency. So it was necessary to do modification in it. So engineers have discovered some special purpose motor. The requirements of automotive industry can be fulfilled by BLDC and PMSM motor. Motor and motor controller served automotive industry since long time, and ongoing innovation in motor and motor control system have ensured that these motors are being integral part of automotive industry. The important requirement of reliability and efficiency is can be fulfilled with this motor. While brushless DC motors have replaced brushless DC motor, and PMSA motor has came across a better alternative to AC induction motor. So we'll going to see overview of this induction motor. Let's see how this motor works. As name suggests, brushless DC motor do not having brushes for working. The absence of brushes gives BLDC motor the ability to rotate at high speed, and it also enhances its efficiency. Same as that of all motor, BLDC motor also having two major parts. These parts are nothing but rotor and stator. The rotor is rotating part and stator is stationary part. Rotor does not having any external supply. Instead, it have permanent magnets, and this magnet acts as a rotor. Here, stator is used to produce varying magnetic field. Stator consists of coil winding, and it is to be excited at proper time and in proper sequence. The excitation, that is stator current, generates the magnetic field, which rotates the rotor magnet. This stator excitation is controlled with control circuit. This stator excitation controlled with control circuit, which consists of digital switches like MOSFET. Control circuit decide the speed of motor by varying current through stator. Let's see animation to have clear idea of working. Here you can see the animation of 3-pole BLDC. It consists of Hall sensor to know the position of rotor, and according to position of rotor, the stator circuit will be get energized. At this instant, you can see the most right side pole is is act, is attracting the N pole, and where the topmost is repelling the N pole. At this instant, the N pole is being attracted by left hand side left hand side pole, and N pole is being repelled by right hand side pole. This is how brushless DC motor works. Let us see advantages of BLDC motor. It having ability to work at high speed because of high speed switching circuit. It is highly durable. It having high efficiency as compared to another type of motor. Its efficiency is 85 to 90% because of absence of brushes. It having ability to respond to control mechanism at high speeds. Hence, sudden change in speed is possible. As brushes are absent and are not sliding on commutator segment, there is no spark and there is less noise. Motor driver circuit provides easy control and it having an ability of self-starting, hence no auxiliary winding is required. It does not require any cooling mechanism as it get cooled by conduction itself. Let's see permanent magnet synchronous motor. There is no major constructional difference between BLDC and PMSM motor. PMSM requires AC supply for working. PMSM comprises permanent magnet as rotor and stator with coil wounded over it. When alternating supply is given to the coil, then it produces the alternating magnetic field. This field is rotating in nature. This magnetic field e- exerts the force of attraction and repulsion to the rotor magnet. This motor rotates at the speed of rotating magnetic field, that is synchronous speed. Hence, this motor is also called as synchronous magnet motor. That is permanent magnet synchronous motor. Let's see advantages of this motor. This motor also having high efficiency. Like, this motor having more efficiency than that of brushless DC motor. No torque is repelled when motor is commutated. It is able to produce strong torque and constant torque, high torque and better performance, more reliable and less noisy than other asynchronous motor. High speed in both low high high performance in high high speed operation and low speed operation. L- Low rotor low low rotor inertia makes easy to control. Let's see nature of back EM. The motor torque is depends on current, back EMF, and how stator has been wounded. The PMSM motor is having distributed winding, will have sinusoidal back EMF, whereas BLDC motor having concentrated winding, which will transfer the EMF. In order to achieve constant torque, will inject square wave. Let's see difference between BLDC and PMSM motor. Okay. BLDC motor works on DC supply, whereas PMSM motor works on AC supply. There is no major constructional difference in between them. But BLDC motor is easier to control, whereas PMSM motor is not that much easier than compared to BLDC motor. BLDC motor requires an Hall sensor to know the position of rotors, whereas there is no requirement of any sensor in PMSM motor. Sensorless is possible, and in PMSM motor there is no requirement of sensor. That's all. Thank you.